Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Zapier to sync leads into Airtable step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Zapier account. If you don't have an account, create one. Click on Make a Zap located at the top of the dashboard. Choose the trigger app where your leads are coming from. This could be a form tool like Typeform or Google Forms. Select the specific trigger event that will initiate the synchronization. For example, you could choose New Submission if using Typeform. Next, connect your chosen trigger app to Zapier. You may need to log in and authorize Zapier to access this app. Once connected, test the trigger to ensure it pulls in your lead data. Click on Test Trigger and verify that the correct data is fetched. Now, proceed to set up the action. Search for Airtable as your action app. Select Airtable and then choose the action event, typically Create Record. Connect your Airtable account to Zapier. Log in and authorize Zapier to access your Airtable account. After connecting, select the specific Airtable base where you want to sync leads. Choose the table within that base to store your leads. Map the fields from your trigger app to the corresponding fields in Airtable. Ensure that every lead detail is accurately matched to the correct field. Once you've completed the mapping, it's time to test the action. Click on Test Action and check if a new lead appears in Airtable. If successful, you will see the new lead added to your specified table. If there are any issues, revisit the mapping and correct any discrepancies. With everything working perfectly, give your Zap a name. Finally, toggle the Zap tool on to start syncing leads automatically. Congratulations, your Zap is now ready to sync leads into Airtable seamlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.